let's do this again. Oh my. The first second, bitch. Oh, God. Alright, let me rewind it. Hey, as her current boyfriend, hold on, let me get the reaction. Hold up. If you're her current boyfriend, what are you doing right now? You see Richard Sherman doing bag drills on your front door. What are you doing? I'm not fighting him. This is what guns are for. I'm not. Hey, man, listen. I'm not going to come through, sir. Like, her current what? Oh, dog, I'm not going out there. If he breaks through that door, hey, man, listen. Listen, man. Hey. Sherman, you had a nice career, man. I hate to be the guy to put you on the news like this, but it's got to happen. It's either me or you. You was a big guy. You was a strong man. And the way you hitting that door, I want no parts.
Come through! Come through!
Oh, God. This nigga, you for sure know he was listening to Drake in the car as he was driving over here. Come through. That's all he's saying, bro. What is you saying? Come through. What does that mean?
I don't give a fuck about what you're saying. Just move the door. That shit cute from behind the door. Come through.
What did she do?
That shit real cute.
What did she do to make this nigga that mad? He really tested the door. Look at him.
Come through, Ray. Come through. Come through.
Hey, yo! Bro, ain't no way, dude. It wasn't even his ex, though. They still married. Oh, they still married. This nigga tripped. Bro is sturdy doing everything else except for walking away. Look at him. His ankle almost snapped. His ankle, he almost pulled a McGregor. Look. How did he even do that? Yo, how did your leg even do that quick? Nah, he really a zombie. This man is not human, bro. Ain't no way your legs should do that for no reason. He didn't trip on nothing, slip on nothing. There's no way your legs should do that. Yo. What the fuck? That's not normal. That is not a normal movement. He's a glitch in the Matrix. He hit the planet, thought he had a bug on him. Bro, lock him up. I seen enough. Just off this little 2 seconds. Actually, from right here to the end. That's all I needed to see. Lock him up. Lock him up. Instantly. Let me know. How do you feel? Is this man Sherman innocent or guilty? Lock this man up. Put him in jail. He is a menace to society. I still need answers for this. For what? Why? Yeah, lock him up. Put him in jail. Put it down below. Like, comment, subscribe, share. I've seen enough.
Plays on plays on plays, plays on plays on plays. Got my jack jumping all day, jack jumping all day. Never sold no dope, but can show you where the zip's at. Bitch, hop in the whip. Them niggas making plays on the strip. I can't go with it without hearing some lip. Man, these niggas love this shit. Phone me ringing off the side of my hip. I don't even make a profit off it though. You know it, dealer break me up a piece of the gas.